Okay. So, let's see here. How do I put this? Well, I'm just going to say this. Spend $1,000 on a chainsaw? Meh. Nice chainsaw. Yeah. Oh. Made in Germany. You know, that used to mean precision. Nice shit. Yeah. I don't know if they're hiring... I don't know who they're hiring. Some special people, we'll put it that way. Got the saw, fired it up. Yeah. Go to cut the first tree. All excited. Brand new chainsaw. Well, let's see here. Anybody see a problem? Anybody? Yeah. Chain spins that way. That's the back of the chain. If they put the chain on backwards, I am really glad I bought the steel oil with this and got the double warranty, because that's a lot of faith instilled in me right now.